Improvements on the Common Grazing, Episode 2. How to calculate and record payments. Clerks and committee members of a common grazing might have to calculate the amount of contribution due from shareholders if an improvement to the common grazing is proposed. But how is a fair share of the cost of the improvement calculated? The allocation of the cost would normally be in proportion to the souming held by each shareholder in the grazing. The souming is best being shown as total sheep equivalents, or TSEs. TSEs are used to convert the number of cattle or horses into sheep, so that a fair calculation of everyone's share can be made. We have a separate video on how to calculate TSEs. Details of shareholders and TSE numbers can be obtained from the Crofting Commission's grazing team. So what does the calculation of contributions look like? Here's an example. This common grazing has 4 shareholders. The soumings aren't equal due to previous divisions and mergers. The total TSE for the common grazing is 80. The improvement being proposed is a new cattle handling system costing £18,000. The 4 crofts are divided by their TSEs, croft 1A with 10, croft 1B with 10, croft 2 with 20 and croft 3 and 4 with 40. Croft 1A's calculation is the £18,000 divided by 80 and multiplied by 10, giving a contribution of 2,000. Croft 1B has 10 as well, so the calculation is the same. Croft 2's TSEs are 20, so the 18,000 is divided by 80 multiplied by 20. And Croft 3 and 4 has 18,000 divided by 80 times 40. The total adds up to £18,000. This calculation forms part of the Notice of Improvement, which must be given to every shareholder. Here's an example of the Notice of Improvement. It lists the date, the type of improvement, the calculation that we've just done, and a note to say that shareholders can make representation to the Commission if they don't agree with the proposal, and they have a month in which to do so. To help clerks and committees work out the sums, a template for the calculation of TSEs and contributions is available from the FAS website, as a printable form or as an Excel spreadsheet. Or call the FAS advice line for guidance. It's free.